Hello everyone, in today's video we're going over another fantastic month of Wrist Mafia. I have done 3 months of this now. This is being my third box, and the other 2 that I have received have been fantastic watches in my opinion. They're only $29 a month and they have MSRPs of over $100 or more, so that's pretty cool. I really like Wrist Mafia so far. They're not like the most expensive watches, but this is perfect for people who are looking for a nice clean watch on a budget, because like you don't really need all the fancy super cool timepieces and stuff. You need just a nice watch, you know what I mean, as an accessory or to tell the time like a watch is supposed to do. So this is all I really need. Very excited to get into this month's. I know I'll probably get a little bit of hate on this watch, a couple people who don't like the style, but it doesn't matter to me because I'm only paying $29 a month, and if I don't like the watch, if you don't like it, you can just send it back, because Wrist Mafia is cool like that. But I'm very excited. Let's go ahead and jump into this video, guys. Open this box up and see what we've got. This is, of course, the Mason Maestro Dive Master 1, and there's the reference number and everything, so you can all check that out as well. There is a nice cloth included in this one. That's the first time that I've had a cloth included in one of my Wrist Mafia boxes, and there is the Maestro. I'm gonna go ahead and first thing take off that clear film, and once I have that film off of both pieces, we will be able to actually get a gander at it. Wow, now I have taken off the actual cover, the front plastic, and it looks absolutely amazing. Go ahead and put the dial where it needs to go, and let me tell you guys, that is a fantastic watch. Let me know your opinion down in the comment section below. Like I said, this only cost me $29, so really excited to check it out. Let's go ahead and put it on the wrist and see how it fits. Has the nice lock on it as well. So man, this is going to be a fantastic watch. The band does feel really light and feels a little cheap on the band, but I actually also like that it's really light as well, because most metal bands are extra heavy, and I think this one fits nice and looks amazing even on my beaten mitts. I mean, because my hands have had some gnarly stuff, man. These hands are just tattered and scattered, bro. That's why I normally wear my gloves, but everybody keeps asking me, why the gloves, why the gloves? So I just decided to start not wearing them a little bit more, so people understand that I do actually do unboxings without my gloves as well. But I feel like they're needed, because it looks like I just now got done washing my hands and everything before this. I scrub-a-dubbed them and everything, and they just still look beaten and battered, guys. But I haven't received a watch one that I haven't liked from Wrist Mafia, so I've been really enjoying my subscription through them. So if you guys want to check them out, I will also leave a link to them down in the description below. Like I said, I'm not affiliated with them and will not be benefited by that any way, shape, or form, but you guys will, because you know, you'll be getting a cool looking watch for $29 a month. But it's super simple. You just join Wrist Mafia and they send you a new watch every month. You can cancel at any time. All watches are shipped on or before the 1st of each month. The 5th is the last day that you can order the current month's watch. You can show it off and just enjoy your new watch. If you don't love your watch, like I said, send it back and they'll make sure that you get a new watch that you do love. Hopefully, you know, eventually, depending on how many watches they send you. But overall, let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comment section below. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads, and as always, keep it real.